In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete accounts from the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tidying up or ensuring your reports only show active accounts, this is a simple yet effective process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you'll want to begin by accessing your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Settings menu, represented by the familiar gear icon. Clicking here will open up a range of options for you to choose from. Now, from this menu, select the Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed, the very backbone of your financial transactions and reports within QuickBooks. Let's say you see an account that you no longer need or use. It might be obsolete, or you could be streamlining your overall financial strategy. You'll need to locate this specific account within the list. The accounts are usually organized by type, so it shouldn't take too long to browse through to find the one you're looking for. Once you've pinpointed the account you want to remove, direct your gaze to the right side of your screen, where you're going to notice an Action drop-down menu. It's represented by a small, downward-pointing triangle. Clicking on this drop-down will present you with several different actions you can take. To delete the account, you'll select Make Inactive. This option essentially hides the account from your active list without permanently erasing it from the system, which is a handy safety net in case you need to reactivate it later. However, before QuickBooks finalizes this action, it will ask for confirmation. A dialog box will appear, ensuring that this is indeed your intended action. This is a great time to double-check and make sure you've selected the correct account, since making an account inactive affects how your accounting information is displayed in reports. Simply confirm your choice, and QuickBooks will make the account inactive for you. Once you have confirmed the action, the account will quietly disappear from your active list, helping your books look neater and less cluttered. This is especially useful when running reports or audits, as it can prevent distractions from unnecessary accounts. Remember, if you ever need to view or reactivate an inactive account, QuickBooks Online makes it easy by allowing you to adjust the settings in the chart of accounts to show inactive accounts. And there you have it, a straightforward way to declutter your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online, thus ensuring that your financial records are as clean and accurate as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was as helpful as you needed it to be.